Today I'm gonna do part 2. So we all have the Shrek toys. We all have the Shrek toys.
Yep.
2 Shrek toys for us.
Yeah, it's mine.
And I even have a phone.
Hey,
that's my Shrek.
That's mine.
No, look. Mine's a red like that.
I'm not.
Okay, guys. This is my brother's tablet. It's me, Mario. That's so fun. I like. You're blocking me. I like tablets so much.
Well, you don't have tablets.
I have phone instead. Yes, and look at my Shrek toy.
And my Shrek toy.
I got fries. Hey, I got chicken nuggets and fries from McDonald's and Coke.
Me too.
I even got some chicken nuggets and hamburger.
Me too.
I even got some stop. I even got some.
Puppies is so crazy.
Shut up, everyone.
I'm gonna play with my tablet.
Stop. Don't bother.